Hello student, have a good day. Today I am starting semester first, paper number second. Name of this paper is the organic chemistry. Then in this paper, today I am starting unit number 4. Name of this unit is cycloalkanes, and alkadines. Here, cycloalkenes and alkadines are important hydrocarbons derived principally from natural gas, petroleum, and destructive distillation of coal. They are useful as starting material for the synthesis of variety of products in synthetic organic chemistry. Thus, this topic deals with the chemistry of these petrochemicals. Means these two compounds are petrochemicals. Then first we study cycloalkanes. What is meant by cycloalkanes? Cycloalkanes, when terminal carbon atoms of alkanes are joined together, then formation of carbocyclic compound or homocyclic compounds possessing properties similar to the aliphatic compounds are formed. They are called as the alicyclic compounds, meaning these compounds are aliphatic, means open chain, and aliphatic and cyclic. Therefore, definition of cycloalkanes. Then cycloalkanes are also called as the polymethylene because these compounds contain methylene groups. Number of the methylene group, 3 or more methylene groups are present in their structure. Therefore, they are also called as the polymethylenes. Therefore, definition of cycloalkanes are nothing but saturated alicyclic hydrocarbons called as the cycloalkanes, or simple saturated alicyclic hydrocarbon are also known as cycloalkanes. Then they have general formula CnH2n. Here medium size cycloalkane. Medium size means here 3-membered cycloalkanes or 4-membered cycloalkanes. These are called as the medium size cycloalkanes. Medium size cycloalkanes containing 5 or 6 carbon atoms, comparatively stable and closely resembles the alkanes. Then compounds having smaller size means C3 or C4 cycloalkanes show chemical properties intermediate between alkanes and alkenes. Then here we see structure number 1. Here 3 methylene groups are in cycle. Then here trivial name of this compound is the trimethylene. CH2 group is called as the methylene. CH3 group is called as the methyl. Therefore, 3 methyl group in ring formation. Therefore, trivial name of this compound is the trimethylene. Number of the methylene group present in the structure. Therefore, tri, tetra, hexa, hepta, etc. Then second compound. Here 4 methylene groups attached to each other. Formation of tetramethylene compound. Then in case of hexamethylene compound, 6 CH2 groups present in structure of the hexamethylene, and these 6 CH2 group are in ring formation. Therefore, name of this compound is the hexamethylene. Then trimethylene, tetramethylene and hexamethylene, these are the trivial name of these cycloalkanes. Then again we see here IUPAC name of this. Then in modern method, here avoid writing carbon and the hydrogen. The figure first, this is a not figure of the triangle, but this is a figure compound cyclopropane. 3-membered parent alkane is the propane, and these 3 carbon atoms are in chain or cycle. Therefore, this is called as the cyclopropane. Then second figure, this is not the structure of square, but this is the cyclobutane because this structure contains 4 carbon atoms, and here avoiding carbon and hydrogen figure is formed. Therefore, name of this compound is the cyclobutane. 4-membered cyclic compound, therefore cyclobutane. Then third figure is the here cyclohexane. Here 6 carbon atom are in cyclic form. In each corner containing CH2 group. Here avoiding carbon and hydrogen. This structure of the cyclohexane is third ring. Then IUPAC name, this is a cyclopropane, cyclobutane and the cyclohexane. Here suppose substituents are present in these structures, then as per IU system these compounds are known as the cycloalkanes. Then substituted cycloalkanes are formed by including the name of substituent as a prefix to the name of parent cycloalkane. Here structure first, parent cycloalkane is the 5-membered ring in cycle, therefore name of this compound is the cyclopentane, and one hydrogen atom is replaced by the methyl group, therefore name of this compound is the methyl cyclopentane. When more than one substituents are present, they are written in alphabetical order along with the position held by in the ring. Here structure number second containing how many substituents? There are 3 substituents, that is 2 methyl group and 1 bromine. Therefore numbering starting from bromine. Then at position number 1 Br attached, at position number 2 and position number 4 2 methyl groups are attached, therefore name of this compound is the 1-bromo 2,4-dimethyl cyclopentane, because ring is the 5 carbon atoms, therefore cyclopentane, and position number 1 bromine atom, position number 2 and the 4 methyl group, therefore name of this structure second is the 1-bromo 2,4-dimethyl cyclopentane. Then here structure number 3. Here how many substituents? 3 substituents, 2 methyl group and 1 ethyl group is present. Therefore if more than the 2 or 3 substituents are present, then they are written in alphabetical order along with the position held by them. Here position number 1 ethyl group is present, C2H5, this group is called as the ethyl. Then 1 ethyl, at position number 3 and the 5 2 methyl group, therefore 1 ethyl 3,5-dimethyl cyclohexane, parent hydrocarbon 6-membered cyclic form, therefore name of this compound is the cyclohexane. Alphabetical order, therefore numbering 1 is given to the ethyl group, therefore 1 ethyl 3,5-dimethyl cyclohexane. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of substituted cycloalkanes. Then you see here structures. Structure number 1, when polycyclic cycloalkanes containing more than one ring. In this structure you see here there are the 2 rings present, therefore polycyclic cycloalkanes containing more than one ring are formed. They have 2 or more carbon atoms in common. Here carbon atom number 1 and carbon atom number 4 is the common in 2 rings. Systematic naming of such compounds is done by using suitable prefixes like bicyclo, tricyclo, etc. before the name of cycloalkane, denoting total number of the carbon atoms in the ring. In structure first, how many total carbon atoms? 7 carbon atoms. The ring carbon atoms are numbered starting with any of the 1 carbon atom at the junction. Therefore carbon atom number 1 and carbon atom number 4, these carbon atoms is called as the bridged carbon atoms, and therefore the ring carbon atoms are numbered starting with any one of the carbon atoms at the junction and is continued to the next junction in such a way that the largest ring is numbered first, and smallest ring is numbered last. Then number of the carbon atoms involved are written in the square bracket in the same order. Therefore total in structure first, total carbon atom is the 7, therefore 7 carbon atom heptane. Then large ring containing 2 carbon atoms, carbon atom number 2 and carbon atom number 3, and small ring containing carbon atom number 6 and carbon atom number 5. Therefore large ring chain containing 2 carbon atoms, therefore in bracket 2 rings are present, therefore bicyclo, in bracket large ring containing 2 carbon atoms large ring formed by chain 2 carbon atoms, therefore 2. Then small ring containing 2 carbon atoms, therefore 2. And at the junction there is the 1 carbon atom, that is carbon atom number 7, 1. Therefore name of this structure is the bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane. Then in structure second, here how many carbon atoms? 6. Therefore and 2 rings are formed, therefore bicyclo. Then ring first you will number bridge carbon atom 1 and the 5, these are the bridge carbon atom. Then starting number 1, here large ring contain how many carbon atoms? 2, 3, 4 means 3 carbon atoms, and small ring contain only 1 carbon atoms. Therefore I am writing here bicyclo in bracket, large ring 3 carbon atom, small ring 1 carbon atom, and at the junction no carbon atom, therefore bicyclo 3,1,0 hexane. Then third, bicyclo, here how many carbon atoms? There are the 8 carbon atoms. Then 8 carbon atom means octane, and 2 rings are present, therefore bicyclo. Then large ring containing carbon atom 2 and the 3, here 1 and 4, these carbon atoms are the bridged carbon atoms. And large ring formation, carbon atom number 2 and carbon atom number 3, and small ring, here carbon atom number 6 and carbon atom number 5. Therefore bicyclo 2,2,2 at the junction, carbon atom number 7 and carbon atom number 8, these are the present in the junction, because 1 and 4 is the bridge carbon atom and the junction carbon atom. Therefore name of this compound is the bicyclo 2,2,2 octane. This is the nomenclature of polycyclic cycloalkanes. Then here we study tribal name, IUPAC name, and polycyclic cycloalkanes name. Then next compound is the methods of formation of cycloalkanes. Then there are the 4 methods of formation. Method first, by addition of carbene to alkene. Then this reaction carried out in C2, means in this reaction in C2 means not added reagent. Reagent is forming in this reaction. Therefore propene react with diiodomethane. This reaction is presence of zinc copper couple, then formation of a methyl cyclopropane. This is the first method of formation of cycloalkane. The next lecture we studied further methods. Thank you for listening.